Hi everyone, it's Kimberly with Getaway today, and I just checked into my room here at the Cabana Bay Resort at Universal Orlando Resort in Florida. And this is probably one of the cutest rooms I've ever seen, ever stayed in, and I'm excited to show it to you. So this whole hotel is retro, like 1950s, 1960s, kind of like beach resort vibe. And this is the family suite. So we're gonna show you, and then I'll just kind of talk a little bit about it. So right when you walk in, you're in like this darling, like 1950s, 60s kitchen area. The counter looks like a surfboard. It's like surfboard shaped, really bright colors. There's a little mini fridge down here. Oh, there's my leftovers from dinner. Microwave. It comes equipped with the dishes, like disposable dishes. You also have like your single cup coffee. Really convenient, just compact and cute. Then there's this darling living room area that I just love. Like, I want to take those chairs home with me. This is a sofa bed, so this room sleeps up to 6 guests. There are also rooms here that are, the standard rooms sleep up to 4, and then there are 2-bedroom suites that are more like apartment style, and those sleep up to 8. But this is probably, I think, the cutest room type of all. So you have your TV over here, and then these are drawers. So whoever is staying out here in the couch has their own little area to put their stuff. And then look at these cute benches, I just love that. And when you check in, you get this little map. There are really 4, well I guess 5 main areas where guests stay. We are in the continental area over here. So this hotel has 2 pools, like giant pools. There's one over there, one right by us, and a lazy river. So fun. Okay, so now you come back into the bedroom area. This room has the 2 queen beds because again you sleep 6, so 2, 2, and 2. And then I thought this was really clever. Just this little area over here also has drawers where whoever is staying out here can put their stuff. This bathroom is genius. I want it at my house. It's like 3 sections. So over here you have just your toilet, you have your separate vanity area here where someone can be getting ready. And then in here you have another sink, and then you have your shower bath combo. And I'm just gonna show you, because again everything here is so themed. It's like the cutest little, like, look at the soaps. Like, doesn't that just feel like you went back in time? I love it so much. It's so cute. So there's that, and then some other fun features. And really, the tile's cute. Everything is just so cute. So over here in the bedroom, these lights are really cool. Each side, you can do like the up, down, like it's like 2 lights in one. There's another bedroom, or another TV in the bedroom area. And then floor to ceiling windows, which we have closed right now, but look at how much storage space is in here as well. So this room is just really well thought out for families. So if you want to stay here, again, this is the family suite. It sleeps up to 6 guests. There are standard rooms that sleep up to 4 and those rooms look a lot just like this kind of area, but we definitely recommend staying here for your Universal Orlando Resort vacation. And when you stay on property, you get access to Volcano Bay and Universal Studios Florida an hour before it opens to the general public, so that's exciting. And again, I'm Kimberly with Getaway today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the tour.